Hey you guys, today I'm going to be comparing the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder versus the La Mercier. I'm going to be trying out one powder on one half of my face and the other powder on the other half. I'm going to just see the comparison if the Maybelline Fit Me is really up to the level of La Mercier. Okay, so keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already have my foundation on and I'm just going to put on some concealer before I put on the powders. I'm just taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C2. Also, I'm going to be putting it on my little imperfection right now because I have a little pimple right there. Alright, so I'm going to be doing one eye with the Laura Mercier and the other one with the Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline one. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the Fair Light one that has the little 10. Honestly, I have tried this twice already and I really like it. Only thing is that I should have gotten the fair one. Yeah, the fairest one, because I feel like it's a little too like yellow on me and I don't really like that. I mean, I don't mind it, but I just don't like it for like to bake under my contour. I just feel like it makes my whole entire foundation look a different color. Alright, so I'm going to be taking it on this side right here, underneath my eye. Also, the Beauty Blender is damp a little bit. Now I'm just going to take off the excess product because I really don't like baking underneath my eye with any powder. I just feel like it makes me crease even more. I just like it because it gives my under eye a lot of coverage. I just feel like it looks really beautiful underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to be taking a clean Real Techniques blender on with my La Mercier. And I'm going to be taking it on this side of the eye. So once again, just swiping it off. Instantly, you can tell that the Laura Mercier is way more lightweight than the Fit Me. But honestly, I don't mind it. Like I said, I already tried it twice. It's been perfect on my skin, honestly. But you can tell that this one is way more coverage. The Fit Me is way more coverage than obviously the Laura Mercier because it does have a tint to it. So, I mean, there is no doubt in that. Honestly, I love it the way it looks underneath the eyes. Let me just try not to cover it up. Well, I'm gonna just finish off my face and I'll get right back to y'all. Alright you guys, so this is the final look after I put on my bronzer and everything, finish my makeup. So honestly, everything is identical. Like I said, I can just see a little bit more of my ojeras from the La Mercier, but I see no difference. Now that I'm looking at it, actually, I feel like with the La Mercier side, it's less powdery and like after I put hella setting spray, it's still, you can see it being a little more powdery than this side. But yeah, this side looks like skin, and then this side you can tell that I'm wearing makeup, so that's what I'm seeing right now. I mean, the powder is really good, honestly, but if you want your face looking more natural and like less makeup, not looking so cakey, definitely go for the Mercier. I forgot to mention that the Mercier is $38. Yeah, it's $38, and the Fit Me one, I got it for $5.99, I believe. And honestly, drugstore compared to high-end, it's pretty damn good, honestly, in my opinion. I would just like go less on the powder, because I noticed that when I dip my sponge into it, it grabs a lot of powder, like a lot, like you can tell it's really thick. So that's one thing I didn't like. But after like the overall of my makeup, like I like it. I just, like I said, I would have gotten a shade lighter than the one I got. I just feel like it's a little too yellow on me. But yeah, that's my opinion on the Maybelline versus the Mercier. I would totally keep on purchasing the Maybelline Fit Me. It's really on that level. So I honestly recommend you to go buy it and try it out, because it's really damn good for $5.99, $6 compared to $38. Most definitely.